In this video, we will show you how to create, complete, and find your completed tasks in To-Do. Let's start in the Today view. Create a task without adding it to a project or list. When you add a task directly in Today, it does not belong to any specific project. It becomes a standalone task and is stored in your Anyday list. When you mark a task as completed, you will get a few seconds before it disappears, a small window where you can undo the completion. Once the task is fully completed, it will appear in your logbook. Next, create a task within a project or list. When you complete it, you will see it listed under logged items at the bottom of the project, where you also can uncomplete it. Tasks completed inside projects and lists are also shown in your logbook. You can also complete an entire project. When you mark a project as completed, all tasks within the project will be marked as done and show up in your logbook. To quickly find a task, press Ctrl+F or Command+F on Mac to open the search field. In mobile devices, pull down to search. If you are looking for completed tasks, use Continue Search to extend your search to the logbook as well. That is how you manage and find completed tasks in To-Do.